Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find my lost Vivo X200 FE Pro phone. If you're using Vivo X200 now your phone has been lost, so let's see how can you find it. You have two simple methods. So the first way is that you have to open your browser and here just look for find my device, and you must have to open this website which is Google Find Hub. Just open it. And here first you have to log in with your Google account. After that you just have to select your phone which has been lost. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, and for this you have to make sure that your phone's location was enabled so you can easily get the location of your lost device. And there's a second way, which is you have to enter your IMEI number. You just have to give your IMEI number to your relative authority cybercrime department to your relative country, and they will give your pinned location. So let's see how can you get your IMEI number. You must have to enter this code to your phone and you will get your IMEI number. You must have to save your IMEI number which is written on your phone back. So that's how you can easily find your lost Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.